Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a copy, print and scan wirelessly using your printer. So to do that, first thing is to switch on the printer, and once you switch on the printer, then we go on our Android device. Now if you are using iPhone, you can use that, any smartphone where you can download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you download it, just go back. Now go to the printer's display panel and switch on the Wi-Fi light. If it's not on, click on that. So once it is on, we go on the Android device. Now here we open the Wi-Fi setting of your Android device and look for the HP Deskjet. It's a direct A5 HP Deskjet 2600. Now it will ask a password, so you enter password 12345678 and click on the connect button. Once it is connected, connection is made, go to the HP Smart app. Now open this app. Now here we need to add the printer, so click on the plus button on the top and click on the printer, and you will see it is added here. Now I'll show you how to do copy, print and scan. So let's start with the copy first. Now to do a copy, open the top scanner bed, place the page facing downwards, and now click on the copy button. If you want, you can do color or black. So click on the color icon once and just wait for the printout to come. Copy. Now I'll show you how to do a print. Now open the HP app again. So that's the HP Smart app, and now click on the print document. You can just choose any document you want. For example, this is the one I'm going to do. Click on print, and here you can select the number of copies and pages and just click on the print button, and it will send a command and start to print. And now I'm going to show you how to do scan. Now to do a scan, we just go back to the app settings again, and here you see the printer scan option. Click on that and just place the page same way facing downwards on the scanner and click on the scan button now, and just wait for the scan to transfer to your cell phone. So this way you can do the wireless print and scan, and copy is easy. You don't need any wireless network for that. So here we can see it has transferred the scan. As you can see, it says copy, print and scan. Thanks for watching.